This is lab number 3, parallel. I've just put 3 resistors in instead of the 5 that you're going to be using, but I want you to follow the lab, use the appropriate resistors. One of the first things you want to do, obviously, is check your individual value of resistance to make sure that the individual values are correct. And you're going to have to check to make sure that, using the reciprocal over the sum, to make sure that your total resistance equals what you're expecting it to be. And you also want to measure to make sure that your total resistance is what you're expecting it to be. So in this particular case, I've got about 500 ohms of resistance here, 498, based on what I'm using. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put it onto voltage. And I know I'm using a 9-volt battery, so I'm going to put it on the 20-volt setting. And I'm going to apply power to the circuit. I'm putting that in there. Now I can check my voltage values. And of course, because we're in parallel with the power supply, you should be expecting to see 9 volts all the way across. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this and put it onto current setting and DC current setting. So now what you want to do is you want to open up your power supply here and take your power from your positive going into the red on your meter and then back to here. And so this tells me I have 18.2 milliamps of current flowing. Again, yours will be different based on the value of resistances that you're using.